Hey there, radicals! Picture this: a silent killer lurking in your pantry, hiding in your fridge. It's not a horror movie, it's the reality of unhealthy eating habits. You see, the foods we consume can fight disease or feed it, and unfortunately, some of our favorites can do more harm than good. Take dairy, for instance. It seems innocent enough, right? But did you know that humans are the only creatures who drink the milk of other animals? Strange when you think about it. And the truth is, cow's milk is for baby cows, not humans. It can lead to digestive issues, inflammation, and even increased risk of certain types of cancer. Then there's cheese. Oh, the creamy melt-in-your-mouth goodness. But beneath the tasty exterior, cheese is a saturated fat bomb waiting to explode, wreaking havoc on our cholesterol levels, heart health, and waistlines. And what about meat? We've been told it's a great source of protein, but it's also a source of saturated fats, cholesterol, and in some cases, harmful chemicals. Processed meats, in particular, have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Next on our list is sugar. It's in everything from our morning coffee to our favorite snacks. But this sweet substance is anything but sweet to our bodies. It can lead to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. And finally, let's talk about salt. A little sprinkle here and there seems harmless, but too much can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. But fear not, radicals. There are healthier alternatives for all these foods, and we're going to explore them today. We'll also explore sweet and salty alternatives that will satisfy your cravings without compromising your health. So let's get started on this journey towards better health and well-being. Let's start with dairy, a seeming staple in many diets, but it's not all it's cracked up to be. Consuming dairy can lead to a host of health issues, from bloating and digestive discomfort to long-term risks like osteoporosis and cardiovascular disease. But fear not, there's a healthier alternative at hand: nut milk. Packed with essential nutrients and devoid of the harmful elements found in dairy, nut milk serves as an excellent substitute. What's more, you can easily whip up a batch at home. All you need are some soaked almonds, cashews, or your favorite nuts, along with water. Blend these together, strain the mixture, and voila! You've got yourself a glass of fresh, wholesome nut milk. And for those of you with a sweet tooth, freezing bananas and other fruits to whip up a dairy-free ice cream can be a game changer. So, next time you reach for a glass of milk, consider a glass of almond or cashew milk instead. Cheese and meat, a dynamic duo for many. But let's unmask them for what they truly are. They may offer that savory taste you crave, but they're also loaded with saturated fats and cholesterol. Regular consumption of these foods can lead to health issues such as heart disease, high blood pressure, and obesity. Now let's talk cheese. A beloved food indeed, but it's high in sodium and fat. Plus, it's one of the top sources of saturated fat in the average diet, contributing to heart disease. But don't fret, cheese lovers. You can still enjoy that creamy texture and tangy taste without the health risks. Consider switching to cashew or ackee cheese. They're plant-based, loaded with nutrients, and are a much healthier option. And what about meat? It's a major source of protein, yes, but it also comes with a hefty dose of saturated fat and cholesterol. Not to mention, the World Health Organization has classified processed meats as carcinogenic. But there's a solution here too. Nut meats made from walnuts, cashews, almonds, or pecans can offer a satisfying alternative. They're high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, giving you the nutrients you need without the health risks associated with animal meat. Swapping out cheese and meat for healthier alternatives doesn't mean you're giving up flavor or satisfaction. On the contrary, you're embarking on a journey of culinary discovery, exploring new tastes and textures. You're not losing out, you're gaining a world of healthful, delicious options. Remember, there are always healthier versions of your favorite foods if you're willing to try something new. So why not give it a shot? Start with one meal, one day, and before you know it, you'll be embracing a healthier lifestyle without feeling deprived. And that, my friends, is a win-win situation. Sugar and salt, the sweet and salty duo we often crave. But these cravings come with a cost. Let's delve into the truth behind these addictive ingredients. High sugar intake can lead to a host of health problems, from obesity to heart disease, while excessive salt consumption can raise blood pressure and increase the risk of stroke. But fear not, we have nature's candy as a solution. Fruits, with their natural sweetness, can satisfy your sweet tooth without the health risks. And coconut water? It's a sweet, hydrating alternative that's packed with nutrients. Now let's talk salt. If you're hankering for that salty kick, why not try seaweed or olives? They offer a natural salty flavor without the harmful effects of traditional table salt. And if you absolutely need that pinch of salt, consider black salt. Unlike its crystallized counterparts, it's easier for your body to flush out. It's time to rethink your sweet and salty cravings and embrace healthier alternatives. Now that you're armed with healthier alternatives, it's time to take action. Embrace the 21 Days Raw Challenge. This isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle shift. Experience the transformation as you replace those unhealthy cravings with nourishing, raw, vegan delights. You won't be alone either. The Raw Fam membership on Patreon provides a supportive community where you'll find year-long encouragement, guidance, and inspiration on your journey towards optimal health and wellness. And there's more. Learn not just what to eat, but also how to grow and prepare your own food at home. Imagine making your own nut milk or nut meat. It's a holistic approach to health that goes beyond the plate. So are you ready to embark on this life-changing journey? If this video sparked something in you, show some love. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Remember, the power to change your eating habits is in your hands. Until next time, raw love, my radicals.